The MIM extension identifies a MIME encoded email file containing a complete email message with attachments in standard MIME format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, decode, or troubleshoot these email message files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single MIM file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. MIM files are email messages stored in multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions format, containing complete email data, including headers, body text, and encoded file attachments, following the Internet standard for structured email content representation. MIM files follow RFC 2045-2049 MIME specifications with multi-part content boundaries, separating message components. Text uses quoted-printable encoding, while binary attachments use base64 encoding. Content type headers define each section's media type and parameters. For reliable opening, Microsoft Outlook by Microsoft Corporation offers the best solution for MIM. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows provides only minimal insight, so proper reading must be done in supported mail software. Open the menu by right-clicking your MIM file and choosing Open With. Try Microsoft Outlook first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If the MIM file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the MIM file is refusing to open. First, opening the message. Rename the MIM file to EML and open in Microsoft Outlook Thunderbird or any email client supporting EML format. The client parses MIME structure and displays the message with formatting images and attachment access. Double-clicking the rename file launches your default mail client. Next, extracting attachments. Open the MIM file in a text editor to locate base64 encoded attachment sections between MIME boundaries. Use online base64 decoders or email parsing tools to extract attachments. Thunderbird and Outlook extract attachments automatically when opening the file as EML. Finally, processing programmatically. Use Python's email library to parse MIM files programmatically. Import email parser, then parse the file to access headers, body parts, and decoded attachments. This enables automated processing of MIM email archives for migration or data extraction workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.